very easy and quick to prepare with just these only 4 ingredients. With this coconut milk, barley grains, pandan leaves, and sugar. You can use any type of sugar, either brown or white sugar, but for me, I prefer to use this rock sugar. Guys, I always like to make something new about my recipe, so this time I will add this 1 tablespoon glutinous flour. So first I have to dip it in the water. Once barley already cooked, you can add now the sugar and also the pandan leaves. This glutinous flour will make it thicker, the soup. I like it to be more thicker, so I'm trying to add this. Let's see how. Cook. And now we can add this coconut milk. Coconut milk shouldn't cook so long, so add only when it's almost done cooking. Let's bring this to boil and it will be done. Now it's almost done. And before we're gonna switch off the fire, we will add a pinch of salt. Guys, pinch of salt will make the taste of the coconut milk even more better and tastier. So if you haven't tried this way, you'll try it on your next cooking and let me know on the comment section below. Now our bubur is ready and you can enjoy it hot or either cold. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll get updated on my next video. Thank you so much. Namaste.